perform a search with filters in PropStream, you first want to search a market at the county, city, or zip code level, or even using the draw tool. Next, select Filter, just to the right of your search bar. Within the Filters section, users will have the ability to refine their searches using 165 plus of our filter choices. In our filter menu, the first selection you can make is our lead list, which showcases how many properties are available with that criteria search if selected. If needed, you can apply additional filters if you want to narrow your search from the following 9 categories. We have property details, PropStream Intelligence, our AI-powered searchable data sets, MLS, pre-foreclosure and foreclosure, bank-owned, owner information, occupancy, lien, bankruptcy, and divorce statuses, value and equity information, and lastly, mortgage information. For example, let's say I'm looking for a property with a lien that's not owner-occupied and currently is vacated. I want the property to be residential, single-family property, off-market, owned for 5 years or more, have owner type be individual and not tied to a corporate, mixed, or trust owners, and lastly, I would like to add in about 50% equity or more. Once you've applied your filters, you can see at the top of the filter how many properties are available, so if you have too many or too little, you can make edits to your filters. Another quick tip is that you can see all of your applied filters by selecting Applied Filters below. And if you like the search you have made, be sure to save your saved searches to use for another location area or to search at a later date. Now your list with the properties is ready for review, and you can save it as a marketing list. Check out our other resource videos to help you get set up with PropStream.